Welcome guys, I am back with another video, and this time the video is about the fifth service of my Tata Altroz. And with this particular service the official warranty comes to an end, so I will show you what are the steps to be taken in this particular service. My car hasn't run that much, so some of the process I will skip in this particular service, which I will do in the next one. So I will show you all the process, and this service is very important for those persons who are not going to take the extended warranty. So stay tuned to see this particular video. Similarly, the battery voltages, these are all part of the service in every service. There is nothing new in it. That is the battery voltage, and the cranking amps are being checked, so it will show what is the actual life of your battery. And next they will change whether the alternator is working perfectly or not. With specific gravity we will check the battery health, and whether any cells are weak or not, that is being checked. This particular light was creating some vibration. Actually it was opened during the Pepsi replacement, so that's why refitting was necessary as the job was not perfectly done. So it is being reinstalled. So the AC filters have been cleaned perfectly. Now it will be refitted. In Altroz the AC filter is located in very awkward position, so access is little bit difficult here. Checking the undercarriage and all the wheel bearings, any suspension abnormality. They will be draining the brake fluid also, so for that they have procured this 250.4 brake oil. This is Tata genuine brake oil. Remember, while you top up you need this .4 brake oil. There's the engine oil filter, and this is the engine oil, that is 0W20 3000 Mobile Super 3000 0W20. It is fully synthetic oil. Now they will bleed the brakes. They will bleed from all the wheels and check the pedal position. If required they will bleed again, so no traces of air remains. So this is also very important. Now the Harman will be updated to the latest version, so that they can install that Drivenext feature to this particular Harman system. So the update process is taking place. Now it has been successfully updated. So it's time for washing and cleaning. After drying they will apply some tire polish and some dashboard polish. This is common in every service, and vacuuming is also done, so no dust remains inside your car. The car was connected with laptop and scanner, so that the Drivenext update could be taken, but it was not possible as the factory connection was not available. So I had to leave the car at the workshop and come back home, and they did this update while I was away, so I couldn't show you that particular video. So finally the update was taken, and you can see the Drivenext feature has been activated in my car. And this update is very important. Why it's important, I will tell you. A day had to be wasted for particular update. So once I reach home, I will tell you what are the things that has been done in this particular update. So I have returned from the service center, and let me tell you what are the things that were taken under this particular service interval. The engine oil was changed, the brake oil was changed, and they checked all the undercarriage and everything. My car has been driven much less, so nothing happened in the car. They will ask you if you need to go for wheel alignment and balancing. I will tell you guys, if your car has crossed 10,000 plus, you should definitely go for wheel alignment and balancing. But in my case, especially wheel alignment should be done. In my case, my car has covered less than 6,000 kilometers, so I didn't require anything like that. And in fact, while I was driving, I was not feeling any alignment issues. I have checked periodically, so that was not at all required. And the most important thing in this update was, since within 6 days my warranty is going to end up, so I wanted to take the Harman update. That was the particular Drivenext feature. Remember guys, those who are having cars after June 21st, they don't need this update because this particular feature is already in their car. But in my car, this feature was not available. So you need to book in advance for this particular feature, so that you can get this update, because a remote connection is necessary for this update. In fact, a day had to be wasted for that particular job. In fact, the factory people take the remote connection for this particular update. And finally the update was done. Let me show you what are the things you get in this update. You get the Drivenext feature, where you get an overall statistics, how you are driving your car and how your car is behaving. As you can see, the overall efficiency, the driving your driving characteristics, that is 4.9. This is, I am telling you about this current average from service center to my house is 6.6 kilometers. So during this particular period I have got 11.5 with AC on, and there was quite busy traffic. So also there were too many traffic signals. So the efficiency is around 4.2. The driving safety is 5/5. That means I am always on seat belts. And let me check the other statistics also. This particular driving period, the car had an idle time of 4.5 minutes. In fact, around 5 minutes were around idle time, and average speed in the city was around 16.2. So you understand the reason why the cars are polluting so much in city driving conditions. In the petrol car, at least the average speed should be more than 30 kmph. That is not possible in a city like Kolkata. So a lot of fuel is wasted, and unburnt fuel creates that much of pollution. And under this particular 6.6 kilometers, I can took a top speed of 47.48. Proper gear utilization was 97%. So I have used maximum possible gears that was possible in this, and in most cases the gear used was second gear. So you can understand what happens in a city travel like this. And seat belt utilization, there was no overspeeding, no harsh acceleration, no harsh brake. So these are the features that you get in this particular Drivenext feature, which is very important. I don't feel that doodle or 3 words are that much important, but this particular feature was very important to me. So that brings to the end of our 5th service schedule, and if you find the video useful and if you think this video has helped you in all these questions, please do comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. And thank you very much for watching this video, and goodbye. Please do subscribe.